That was a good one.
Receptionist is like, sorry.
Oh man, I got stuck in my stomach, that burp. Oh no, wait, there it is.
Hi, everybody. Oh my god!
We don't know. Babe.
Yes. What is your problem?
Yes. Sooner than you. Oh, and a text message at the same time. I'm awesome. Press somebody. That made my stomach hurt. I had to explode a little bit.
Now we got it.
Oh, do. I've been having to do that.
Mythology in humans that if you stand under the mistletoe, you'll
Bored.
Pardon me, I had some 3-day-old pizza earlier.
Who communicates.
Hold on a second, let me take this.
Bush, what type of zombies we're dealing with? Is it the dead return?
Videos, so do be careful and be safe out there.
Okay.
In 1996, with at the regional.
Oh, come on.
Number 10. Can you burp on command?
I'm sorry, but this is the question, and I don't want to be rude, but I can't do... that was forced. I'm sorry, but wait. Yeah. Yeah, cool.
Can you burp on command? Definitely gonna put that one on my resume.